phony bullshit, you know. But I bought this thing way back, and I didn't have this picture at the time. I was going by Lyle Fisher, the guy that built the car, told me that it has a 51 Chrysler engine that's got the long bell housing, and the way it mounts, they threw the bottom part away that holds the starter, and they just set that bell housing down on 2 plates in the frame, and that's how the engine was mounted. And then they bought this new Halibrand quick change rear because they broke the old one, and they had made about a ½ inch difference to make the front bearing thicker. It moved the motor ahead, and they didn't have time to do nothing. So they just took a torch and burned those 4 holes. So I talked to Lyle Fisher on the frame. I said, I think I found your roadster. How can I identify it? And he thought, he says, look for those 2 holes. He says, if they're burned out with a torch forward, he says, you probably got the right car. And they were. Yeah. And then later, I found this magazine article, and you see the roll cage, the kinkles underneath the bottom of it? Yeah. Like a fingerprint. You could never get that to do that again. And there they are, right?
Boy, do you have a memory for all the little technology,
gosh. You have no idea.
It's nice to know you got the real deal.
Yeah, well, hell yeah. Just like, how do we know you're really? Yeah, Don, you mind if I get a picture of you?